So I asked Gemini related to the Sponge token V2, a newly meme coin you can say which has been launched, and what Gemini has said related to the Sponge token. Let me confirm this here that Sponge token is a meme coin. Sponge token meme to V2. So I'm sorry, Sponge token V2 is a meme coin which is inspired by the cartoon character SpongeBob SquarePants. With the name only, you can say that yes, it has been inspired by the cartoon character SpongeBob SquarePants, but not officially affiliated with it. Many of you must have been thinking that it can be affiliated with SpongeBob SquarePants. No, it is not been officially affiliated. It's been upgraded. It's an upgrade to the official Sponge token. There are one more token which is Sponge token, and Sponge token V2 is the upgrade of Sponge token with distinct tokenomics and a focus on play to earn gaming utility. Now where this coin has been launched, it is launched on a Polygon network aiming for lower transaction fee compared to the Ethereum mainnet. So it has been launched on the Polygon network and the transaction fees is lower if we compare it to the Ethereum mainnet. Now what is the key features of your Sponge token? The first key feature is that no fees on buying or selling Sponge V2 token. Okay, automatic staking. If you hold this token, you can earn reward also. P2E potential. Future plans include integrating Sponge V2 into P2E games, play to earn games. So limited supply here it is saying that a limited supply is 44.4 billion token. In this, some information can be right, some information cannot be. Okay, but still, I hope you have got a much information related to the Sponge token V2. So we'll see you soon in another cryptocurrency video. Before investment, do a proper crypto market research because crypto market is highly volatile.